So, hey everybody, we're like here and sitting here chilling. Nope, we aren't, because guess what? Today is not a pretty day. I'm looking around and I'm going, wow, the birds are not. Wait a minute, yes, they are. Wow. Which is funny, because like I never ever like have. Well, okay. When I was out in the country. Oh, I still am. The birds were all around me. Oh, they're all around me still. Okay, so hey, guess what? I wanted to take a picture earlier, of a bird that was sitting here, like eating pumpkin seeds, and I'm like, okay, and I don't know why Richie's light is still on. It's really funny. Anyway, but yeah, birds are very, very, and I look very old. Yes, I do. Which I am Native American, so you guys can just think what you want to think. But no, birds are very, very important to our society. You would think that they weren't, but right now I've got all these birds around me right now, dude. And I hope to God you guys can hear them, 'cause it's like, wow, it's amazing how many birds are around me right now. It's just really funny. But anyways, hummingbirds are my favorite things. But to me, it's just like, oh my God, you sit here and you listen, and it's so peaceful compared to what you would think people. Oh, there they went, flopping. Nope. Oh, there they go. I don't know. It's very, very peaceful right now. Just sitting out here. And I just would enjoy